Get it.
Guys, we got something. Let's check her out. Good morning. This is Kentucky Fisherman YouTube channel. I'm out here with Great One 1976 from Facebook. We're out here at the Martins Fork Dam just trying to catch some fish. Let's see how it goes. This morning I'm going to be using some chicken livers tossed at the corner of the dam, tied onto a Santee rig. So let's get it started. I've got some chicken livers marinating. Let's toss out a spinner, a little rooster tail, and see how it goes. Nice. Well, I switched to a hook and a float because I got bored not catching anything. I think we all get bored not catching anything. And just like that, my luck has changed. Just a little bluegill, but I just wanted to catch a couple things, a couple fish, get out of there, and have a good time while I'm doing it. Let's get another one back out there. Again, there's no real purpose to this video, even though that one kind of made me mad. That fish out there that just jumped, because that one should have gone after my bait. Uh-oh, we're getting something. The cool thing about a place like this is these tailwaters are usually very active with predatory fish, bluegill, bass, catfish, walleye, whatever you're fishing for. These predatory fish are all over the place, and you can consistently catch at these tailwaters just like this, and just like the one that she's getting ready to bring up to me right now. But let's toss him back out there and send him on his way. Alright guys, my chicken livers have been out there for a while. They've probably been stripped off the hook. I'm going to try for one more bluegill. And then I want to check my livers. Okay guys, I'm just tying chicken liver on. I literally just cut a strip off of it. And then I'll use my hook. I'm using just a 3/0 circle hook, or you could say it's a 5/0 and I just have enormous hands. Alrighty, it's put on. Now you could go with a egg loop nut, which I don't know extremely well how to make those. But that's something I'm going to practice later on so I can show a video on that. But let's get a little makeshift pole holder there. And let's get my worm back out there and see what we can do with this. As soon as I threw that one out there, it was hit. Look at that. It's a nice bluegill. Let's throw this guy back. Let's get back out there. Get back on the board. Truthfully, I like these little stick floats.
Sorry.
I'll be doing a sensor beep on that one. Anyways, I like these little stick floats better than do the regular bobber floats. Whoa, Mouse.
Yeah, I got it. Get it.
Guys, we got something. Let's check her out. Catfish.
Way to go, bud.
Oh no, that's a carp.
Way to go, bud.
Beautiful fish.
That's awesome.
Oh guys, look at that.
Hang on, let me...
An amazing fish. You can catch carp on chicken livers. Let me reiterate. You can catch them on chicken livers.
Hang on.
Melanie wants a picture.
That's awesome.
All right, guys, let's get this guy loose and get him back out in the water. Yeah, carp have barbels. Look at that,
Wow.
guys. Beautiful fish. Let's send them back.
Wow. I was seriously doubting if there was big fish.
Let's get another one out there so we can get back on the board, guys. Amazing fish. I love catching big fish like that. Okay, guys, back at this again. We got Melanie set back up. I've got my chicken liver back out there. Just caught that beautiful carp, as I said. Let's try to catch some more. There we go. Nice. Look at that, guys. Amazing fish. This has been a real good morning for fishing. And I just got splashed in the face. Let's get this guy off here. Alright, let me get my worm reset. And I'll get it back out. There's going to be a lot of first-person viewing on this video, like watching from a first-person point of view, because I'm keeping the GoPro on my vest, because that makes it easier and you can see what I see kind of when I'm catching them. Let's bring it in a little, because there is a school somewhere in this little area right through here. There's a little school of them, And if you can hit a school of bluegill, you can catch them fairly frequently. They tend to kind of congregate in that deeper section. There's a set of rocks close to where she's at, and about a little bit, about 2/3 of the way out, there's another set of rocks. You can usually catch bluegill in the middle of that. Had one. Now the main thing with carp though, they are very slimy. That's something to remember. So if you catch carp, just remember, they're going to be a little bit slimy. I'm actually going to make a video on catching carp. It's going to be on... Look at that. That is a big one. That's a healthy green sunfish.
Is that what that is?
Yep. If you look at the orange on the fins, at the backs of the fins,
Yeah.
that's one of the identifiers, but that's a green sunfish.
Well, I'm taking a picture. You want to?
Look at that. Another one that Melanie just caught. Green sunfish are really good bait fish. I don't need it right now, so I'm not gonna use it. We're just gonna take and send that little guy back. Alright guys, my chicken livers have been out there for a little while. Let's check them, because given how frequently everything's been biting today, I don't want to leave anything to chance. So we're going to take and check this out, make sure we don't have anything, which we don't have anything at all. So let's get another set of livers out there and see what we can do. Now I've been cutting my chicken livers because I don't want to use an entire liver on one hook, because this one's been cut and it's, as you can tell, it's huge. So I cut chunks off of it like that. I'll wash my scissors later, obviously, and I'll take and run the hook through it a couple times to cover so that it's looks a little bit more appetizing to a fish. We're set. Let's get this one back out there. All right, let's get this one set up. Okay, that one is set. We'll let it sit for a while, let it marinate, and we'll try to catch some more fish. Because right now I'm on the board, I'm on the leaderboard for the biggest, and Melanie's not going to top that one. I was talking about how I'm on the leaderboard for the biggest, and you're not going to top it. Got another worm out there, got another chicken liver. It's turning into a good morning. I think I'm starting to get another bite. My float's getting messed with.
Well, it's baited. One got me again, sorry.
That's okay.
Half of them on pants, half of them on feet, just feet.
Yep.
It's cool though. I got a good picture of the car.
Yep.
I'll send it to you.
Okay. Alright, getting a bite, and, well, is it on there? It's on there. Yep. Oh, the dam is an amazing place to fish. Tailwaters are great. You can tell, just another little bluegill. Again, I'm not targeting anything besides with the big rod, and I'm targeting catfish with that one, but pleasantly surprised we got a carp with it. So let's send this guy on his way. Alright, let's put this one in a different location and take and see what we can catch with this. We're putting it on the far side of a wall. There's a little concrete wall on the inside of the water there. It's actually a really bad snag point. But I want to see if there's any bluegill on the other side, or maybe any bass or anything like that. Maybe there's something over there that'll bite. I know you'll find little bait fish hanging around the walls. So we'll put it right over top of that and just see what happens. Like that. Oh, too hard. Look, guys, let's put this in back. Okay, got my bait back in the same spot. It's already getting hits. When I was in Lexington one time, I actually did catch a carp on this rod.
See another one?
Yep.
What is that? Man, I think the video's gonna be longer this time.
It might be. I mean,
We're both burning it up.
yeah.
I mean,
Tailwaters are extremely active, so.
that's what I was talking about before.
Let's get him off the hook, and I'll pause this for a second. Oh, he's off. Bye. Apparently my reputation for using these fish for bait precedes itself. Alright guys, I've got a hook and a worm out. Melanie's got a hook and a worm out. We're just out here throwing out a couple more, trying to see what we can get. Melanie just spotted a nice one right beside hers. Hopefully she can get a good hit on that. I've got a set of chicken liver out. She just caught a beautiful bluegill on the rod I'm using right now. Let's see how this goes. There we go. Nice fish. I think every bluegill you catch, every bass, every catfish, whatever, they're all... Bye. That's 3.5 on the landing. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. I came out here, had a blast, caught some amazing fish. Almost got one, it just got away, but that's how it goes at times. Anyways, come watch again. I'll see you all next time. Be sure to check out my sister's Facebook page, Great One 1976. Does amazing artwork. And I'll see you all next time. Fish on, Kentucky.